Manchester City fans weren't the happiest set of supporters to see Manchester United lose on Sunday. That honour fell to fans of Liverpool. The Reds followers were just as happy at the reaction to the news from Virgil van Dijk.Before yesterday. It wasn't exactly likely that Manchester City were going to concede the Premier League leadership, but Manchester United's loss on Sunday just meant that even without their closest rivals dropping more points, Pep Guardiola's side can win the league on Derby Day. For Liverpool, Chelsea and Spurs, the result yesterday was far more important. Those three clubs are battling with United for the final three Champions League places, and Jose Mourinho's side's loss to Newcastle could be significant. Sunday was especially good for Liverpool as their current side beat the Liverpool team of the future 2-0, with Roberto Firmino and Mo Salah on the scoresheet in a 2-goal win over Southampton. The win took the Reds to just 2 points behind their Northwest rivals in the race for second, and after the match Virgil van Dijk was asked about United's result, but the former Saints defender didn't know. Liverpool fans were clearly loving his reaction to the news. Jose Mourinho continued his weirdly poor form at St James Park as Matt Ritchie's goal was the only one of the game despite Manchester United had several good chances, often thwarted by new Magpies keeper Martin Dubravka. The former Chelsea and Real Madrid manager has never won a league game at Newcastle's home ground, and his side's loss coupled with Liverpool and Spurs wins at the weekend mean his side are now suddenly in danger of missing out on the top four.